I've analyzed hundreds of faceless YouTube channels to identify the 8 niches that can truly help you succeed and make money in 2025. But before I talk to you about these niches, I want you to take a look at this. Here's a faceless channel with over 640,000 subscribers, averaging around 5 million views per year. And yet it made less than $10,000 over the past year. Now look at this other faceless channel. It was launched in April 2023, has only 117 videos on its channel, and reached a little over 13 million views in 1 year. That's just 1.2x more than the first channel. But if you look at its revenue, it recently revealed it made over $34,000 with AdSense. That's 4 times more than the first channel, with only slightly more views and in way less time. So how is that possible? How can a channel with just 1.2x more views make 4x more money? The answer is simple: the niche. The first channel is in the psychology niche, where the RPM, revenue per 1,000 views, ranges from $2.50 to $5. So it earns about $2 per 1,000 views. The second one is in the AI niche, where the RPM is higher, between $4 and $10, with an average around $7.5. So if you also want to truly monetize your faceless channel, choosing the right niche is crucial. You can put the same effort into 2 videos, get 100,000 views on each, but in one you make $200 and in the other over $1,000. That's why your niche makes all the difference. I've put together a full list of high potential niches for 2025. And to guide you even more, I'm going to rate each niche out of 10 based on 2 criteria: revenue potential, ease of content creation. We'll start with the least profitable niche and work our way up to the ones offering the best opportunities. Let's go. Niche number 8, anime-style self-help. This is a fresh take on self-improvement using Japanese anime-style visuals. I believe this niche is going to explode in 2025. Example, Incognito CEO gained over 200,000 subscribers with just 15 videos. They get around 140,000 views per month and make nearly $300. That's $2 per 1,000 views. Another example, Fame Inspector reached 94,900 subscribers with 12 videos, gets 450,000 views per month, and earns about $2,000, RPM of $4.5. The great part? You can talk about topics like discipline, self-confidence, breaking bad habits, with stylish, eye-catching visuals. You don't need to be a hardcore anime fan. With tools like NVIDIA AI or NID AI v3, you can create these anime-style clips in just a few minutes. Niche number 7, moral stories. Remember those moral science lessons in school? This is the YouTube version. You tell simple, impactful stories that leave a life lesson. Example, Dream Sparks. Launched just a year ago, already gets 200,000 views per month and earns over $1,000 a month, RPM around $5. Wise Vibes gets 30,000 views per month and makes about $200. Estimated RPM of $6. You can find stories on Google, in books, or even ask ChatGPT. Then bring them to life with NID AI. Niche number 6, ancient philosophy. You've probably seen shorts about Stoicism or Greek philosophy. In 2025, that type of content is moving to long form, and it works. Example, Philosophies for Life, 500,000 views per month, $2,000 per month, RPM of $4. Niche number 5, business documentaries. This niche has massive potential. Business topics overlap with finance, high RPM, and they attract a broad audience thanks to storytelling. Example, Magnates Media, 2 million views per month, $115,000 per month, RPM over 7.5. Company Man, 1.5 million views per month, over $10,000 per month. But be careful. This type of content requires time, research, and editing. It's hard to maintain if you're not truly passionate about the subject. Niche number 4, horror, creepy stories. Very profitable and easy to make. Dark images, AI-generated voiceover, and a great story. Example, chilling scares. 18 million views per month, over $100,000. Mr. KN Scares launched in 2023, 200,000 views per month, about $2,000. Estimated RPM, between $5 and $12 per 1,000 views. Niche number 3, basic financial education. No need to be an expert. You cover basics, managing money, good financial habits, etc. Example, Alex, 3.5 million views per month, $25,000 per month. Chris Invests, 250,000 views per month, $2,000 using simple whiteboard animations. You can do the same with NID AI. Niche number 2, make money online with AI, 2 booming trends in one, making money online plus AI. Example, 10x income, 300K subscribers, revealed earning 18 RPM on some videos. Digital Income Project, only 239 subscribers, makes $2,000 per month. Niche number 1, 3D animation Faceless. You probably didn't expect this, but it's the top performing niche. Example, Zach D Films, 2.6 billion views per month, earns between $20,000 and $80,000 per month. Another, The Outliners, launched late 2023, 655,000 subscribers, 11 million views per month, $10,000 to $15,000 per month. Traditionally hard to create, but with NID AI V3, you can generate animated videos quickly and at low cost. In summary, choose your niche based on your goal, money, visibility, your passion for the topic. It's the only way to stay consistent long-term. YouTube is a marathon, not a sprint. And once you've picked your niche, you have 2 options. Spend months testing what works, or watch my next video where I break down the exact strategies successful YouTubers use and how you can apply them starting today. See you very soon.